Let's talk about the 7 sneaky viral strategies. Now, these viruses are very, very devious, and a virus is much smaller than a bacteria. Now, are they alive? Not really. Are they dead? Not really. It's one of those things where you have this little sack with this tiny little copy machine in here. It's like a genetic copy machine that has the ability to copy itself over and over and over. But it can only do that if it invades your cells into the nucleus of the cell and then leach onto it, suck the life out of your cell, and then replicate that way. Certain cells that don't have the DNA, they can't really do anything, like your red blood cells, for example. So that's what they do. And they start reproducing and create a lot of damage within your immune system because your immune system sees this foreign invader now, and it creates inflammation, and it starts to create collateral damage. All right, so number 1, viruses can infect your own immune cells, the B and T cells, the monocytes, and even your thymus and viral-specific T cells. The thymus is right above the heart, and it's a gland that it's like the training camp for your white blood cells. So it trains your white blood cells to defend against pathogens. So these little guys can invade the thymus and other immune cells. Now what happens now is that virus kind of becomes part of your cell, and it's viewed as your own cell by your own immune system. So that's one sneaky way it goes underneath the radar and it doesn't get detected. All right, number 4, viruses have the ability to escape antibody response. So think about this. A virus, the shell of a virus has a little protein on it, and it's like a little flag that your immune system can see and tag and go after, right? Well, these little special proteins or little flags can be hidden by the virus. So our own immune system cannot find them. And so you have this delayed immune response until after the infection has set in. Very, very sneaky. All right, here's another scenario. Number 5, you can have 2 viruses invade one cell, and then what they do is they work together to rearrange those proteins on the outside of the cell so they can escape attack from our own immune system. All right, number 6, escaping what's called cytokines, which are signaling molecules for the immune system. They're involved in inflammatory responses, and viruses can sometimes escape these little guys right here. So there's no inflammation. There's nothing for your immune system to indicate that there's a virus there. All right, number 7, certain viruses can downgrade vitamin D receptors. What does that mean? It means that it blocks your ability to absorb vitamin D. And vitamin D is intimately involved in controlling your immune system. So without vitamin D, you're going to be more susceptible to viruses, and you don't have that protection anymore. So viruses have one strategy of suppressing the immune system by blocking vitamin D. This is why you see so many diseases involved with an associated low vitamin D condition. Well, that's probably because there's a virus involved in that disease. And if you haven't seen my video on how to bulletproof your immune system, I put it up right here. Check it out.